Hey everybody, I wanted to come on here and answer one of the biggest questions that I get asked, which is how the course is. Tell me about the course. So I'm going to go over a lot of that through here, but I'm going to split some of the things into separate videos, so keep a lookout for those. So first things first is, how do I get started? So like I said in my previous video, I went through a month or a month and a half of research before I decided to go through it. Research, talking with alumni, and then getting information from the website. One of the biggest things is it being affordable. You can pay outright, you can do payment plans, and there's multiple different options. So first things first is to go to the TripleTen website, do the questionnaire, see what course you're in. If you do get the software engineering course, this video is going to be for you. So this is going to be about the course, specifically the software engineering course. So the first thing is it's all web-based. It has an interactive platform, which is super nice. As you're going through it, and I'll cover this in another video as well, more likely on the YouTube side, but as you're going through the tasks and the lessons, like I said, the task, it actually is interactive and you work on your skills right then and there, and it's not just a full thing of reading, which I appreciate because I do not like reading. So the next thing is how it's split up. So the course is split up into modules, sprints, and then projects. Each module will have 3 sprints, which means 3 projects, because each sprint has its own project. Now with the software engineering course, we created a project in sprint 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and most likely 9. Right now I'm starting 9, so I'm not fully sure, but it's been just adding on to the project that we created in sprint 3, which is nice. It's not something that you have to create something from scratch every single sprint. And the sprints are split up. They're about 2 to 3 weeks, and then they recommend a 1-week break after each module. So after every 3 sprints is take a week break. I don't do that. I just work straight through it. But they also recommend doing 20 hours a week, which seems quite difficult. But if you put in the work and life gets in the way, you can't stop that. But they do recommend that. I try to hit that. Like I said, life gets in the way, and sometimes that does not happen. As you're going through the course, starting with sprint 5, you will have a career prep, and this will be different things within each sprint from 5 on, talking about your LinkedIn profile, networking, resumes, anything to help you prepare for your career. Once you graduate, they do have a career acceleration, which is mock interviews, resume refactoring, one-on-one coaching, different things like that. Most of the people that I've talked to, the alumni, have gotten their job between 2 and 3 months after graduation. So very, very good rates. Next thing is externships. This is where you work, do a project for an actual company, and then you can add it to your portfolio. These are starting on sprint 10, and then from sprint 10 onward, and after you graduate as well. Like I said in the beginning, this is an interactive platform and it's all web-based, which means the chat and tutoring sessions, they're all remote. It's all remote. They use Discord, which is very helpful. It's super nice. how they have it set up, and I will go over the whole Discord and a separate video on the YouTube. That way I can show you the screen and everything else. That leads me into the next thing is the tutoring. One of the biggest things that I looked at was tutoring, because I knew there was some pieces that I did not have knowledge on and I was going to need help. I've joined a one-on-one training twice and joined a couple different other tutoring sessions. So you can book one-on-ones with tutors, and you can join a tutoring session or office hours, and they're like a 1 hour, 2 hour block where anyone from the course can join, and then you can ask questions. Once it's your turn, you can share your screen. They go through the code with you. Super helpful. If you are interested, let me know. I do have a discount code, or go to their website, take a little questionnaire, see what course recommends for you based on your questionnaire answers. And if you want like a course structure of how the software engineering is, let me know, and I would be happy to get you the PDF that I have. But like I said, all this is something that you can get on their website. Just go on there, do the questionnaire, book a call, or ask for more information. So with that being said, I will see you guys later.